Bonjour, my students. My name is Nikhil Kumar. Je m'appelle Nikhil. I am here to tell you about negatives. To form negatives, negation in French. There are certain rules to make negatives. The basic rule is that na plus pa, na plus verb plus pa, or na apostrophe plus verb plus pa. Na apostrophe is used where the verb starts with the vowel or silent H. Then you use the verb na apostrophe. Otherwise, you use the verb na plus. Now, there are certain rules. This is the rule number 1. Rule number 1 to make negatives. Negatives. Rule number 1. What is the rule number 1? Na plus verb plus pa, or na apostrophe plus verb plus pa. For example, j'aime. First, je parle français. Je parle français. Example, je parle français. I speak French. Now, how do you form it? How will you change it into negative? Je ne parle pas français. Je plus ne plus verb parle plus pas and français. I do not speak French. Here you use this je parle français. You add na plus verb parle plus pas. This is the total phrase, part of a sentence. Na parle pas. Na plus verb plus pas. Okay. Second, j'aime la mangue. J'aime la mangue. I like mango. Now, because this aim is the verb here and it starts with the vowel. That is why you use here je plus na apostrophe, this one, AIME, je n'aime pas la mangue. Je n'aime pas la mangue. I do not like mango. Is that all right? This is the first rule where you use the verb na plus verb plus pa, or na apostrophe plus verb plus pa. Okay. Now, the other one. For example, another one. Another example. Il est médecin. Il est médecin. Il est médecin. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. What do you write here? Il ne, an apostrophe est, because this verb starts with e, vowel. So this one, na apostrophe est. Il n'est pas médecin. Got it? He is not the doctor. Now, another example, knew some stupid. We are stupids. Negation, knew, na. Verb, some, pa, stupid. Nu na sampa stupid. We are not stupids. Okay. Now, the rule number 2. The rule number 2 is that, rule number 2, when the indefinite articles what are the indefinite articles? Indefinite articles are a, yun, they. Indefinite articles. When the indefinite articles are used, the negation will be like that. It means if they use in the sentence a, yun, they, then the negation will be changed, pa, da, just like that. Example, if you use this, then the rule is that na plus verb plus pada, or na apostrophe plus verb plus pada. Here in place of a, yun, they, you use word the. A, yun, they changes into the, pada. For example, il a un livre. Il a un livre. He has a book. Negation, il, an apostrophe a, because a is vowel, avva. Il, he has a book. Il a un livre. Il, na apostrophe a, na pa the livre. Il n'a pas de livre. He has no book. He has a book. He has no book. Okay. Another example. L a they estilo, la de estilo. Negative, l na pa the, they become the, estilo, estilo. Got it? Another example. Another example, a very important one. We use the word Ilya. 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 Ilya means there is, there are. Okay. So, when we use the word Ilya de Etudiyan, Ilya de Etudiyan means there are some students. Now, negative, there are no students. There are no students. Il n'y a pas. N apostrophe Y A. Pa. The. Il n'y a pas de étudiants. Ilya will change. Ilya will change into il n'y a pas de. Ilya they change into il n'y a pas de. They become the. There are no students. Okay. So it is very important one. The third rule is this. One thing. The third rule is this. Here we use pada, but if we use the verb être, rule number 3. If we use the verb être, être means is MR, then what will be there? There will be no change in indefinite article. There will be no change in indefinite article. Okay, just like say, example, say estilo, estilo. Say estilo. This is a pen. Here you change in negative. Sa, say becomes sa. Est is a verb. Sa ne pa. Ne pa. Sa na apostrophe est ne pa estilo. Estilo. Sa ne pa estilo. Here remain the same. There will be no change because we use the verb est, être. This is a pen. This is a pen. This is not a pen. Okay. Ce sont, ça plural, ce sont des étudiants. Étudiants. Feminine. Étudiant is masculine. Ce sont des étudiants. These are some students. Negative. स न सो पा द सा न सो पा दे एतु दियाँ एतुदियांत सा न सौंपा दे एतुदियांत. These are not some students. Okay. Say the la soup. One more example. One more example. Say the la soup. Means this is some soup. Here you use word a, atra. So sa ne pa la soup. No change in the la. Sa de la soup. Sa ne pa de la soup. Da la soup. Here you use the la soup. Da la soup means होता है this, it means da la soup means some soup. Sa ne pa da la soup. Say da la soup. This is a phrase. Say da la soup. Sa ne pa de la soup. Da la soup. Da la soup, some soup. So you use here the la. Okay. Now the rule number 4, the last rule. The last rule is that rule number 4. The definite articles remain unchanged in negatives. It means there will be no change in definite articles. Just like, for example, has the pen. She has the pen. This is definite article. She has the pen. You write negative L na pa la stilo. She has not the pen. She hasn't the pen. Second, elles ont les règles. Elles ont des règles. They have the scales. They have the scales. They do not have the scales. Negative, you write here L na apostrophe ONT, no pa les règles. Okay. Elles n'ont pas les règles. They do not have the scales. Okay. So this is all about the negatives. Okay. Thank you very much, and I will come with a new video for you very soon.